Rivers State Governor Sim Fubara is in Etche local government area. The governor has come to inspect the failed section of the Igbodo-Okpala Road. It's a strategic road that connects Rivers to 3 other states, Imo, Abia and Akwa Ibom. Commuting along the back portion has not been easy, with motorists finding it increasingly difficult to navigate. The situation has in turn forced residents of Etche, commonly referred to as the food basket of Rivers State, to cry out to the state government.
We got this complaint that a section of the Etche Igbodo Road is not completed and is creating a very big problem for the residents here.
Speaking after inspecting the road, Governor Sim Fubara says rehabilitation work will commence immediately.
It's really, really bad. You can see that. I wonder how these people manage during rainy season, because even if we're in dry season and it's bad this way, then it must be terrible during the rainy season. So we'll do something about it immediately.
This is not the first time the Rivers State government will be carrying out repair works on this particular federal government road. As a matter of fact, the immediate past administration of Nyesom Wike intervened by reconstructing a length of 27 kilometers from Chokocho to Igbodo. In keeping with his administration's mantra of consolidation and continuity, Governor Sim Fubara says his administration will stop at nothing to make the people of the state happy.
So I know that the previous administration did a very great job here. So I came to myself to see what the problem is. And from what I'm seeing, it's really a problem. So we as a government will see what we can do immediately to complete this section so that there will be very easy traffic along these routes.
He further assures that 2024 will be a year of good governance, better welfare for the people, and bountiful harvest of projects across the state. Dagbo Obiakene, AIT News, Port Harcourt.